Hey guys, RowdyDawg. There I am right there. See me? That's me right there. Say hi, Barney. This is Barney. And that's Baby. Say hi, Baby. Hey guys, RowdyDawg. I'm just checking in with you. I've got a product here. I've got 7 dogs, 4 cats, and we're always getting in a product from a brand that wants me to review it and analyze it and let them know what I think of it. And I've got one here that's really cool. Let me show you. Right here, this is a cat hammock, and it has a clamp on it that clamps right to the side of your desk, and this will hold up to 40 pounds, so it's pretty nice. It's really nice and soft. I don't know what this fuzzy stuff is, but it's really soft. It doesn't have a bottom in it, so you can see the mesh, and you can take this off and wash it. It has a zipper on it that comes off this frame so you can wash it. It has snap rings, so this whole thing comes off of the mount. And here's the mount. This is just one of those basic screw mounts. You know, it's a clamp that you screw on. And one thing that I liked about it is this. You can lift it up and you can fold it out of your way. Isn't that cool? And then when you want it in place, you just lift it up and push it down and it sits right back in place. And that way my cats love to get up on my desk, you know. All my animals want my attention whenever I'm working, right? So they'll hop up, my cat will hop up here and walk across my desk or walk across my keyboard. You guys have a cat that does that, or lay on my keyboard when I'm trying to work? They do it all the time. But I have a cat named Tozy, and Tozy, he's a polydactyl, and he'll get up in here, and hopefully he'll get up here and lay in this so he can hang out with me. But I'm gonna get him and bring him in here and show him. Hold on just a second. Okay guys, here is my Tozy cat. And he jumps up here and he hangs out with me. And he's kind of liking that, aren't you, Tozy? He's only got one eye. Poor kitty. Boy, we have static electricity going on like crazy here. We're getting ready to have a big storm in here, and I guess that's got the static electricity. Whenever I pet him, I can feel the static through his fur. Oh, he's getting down. Anyway, there he goes. He's getting down. Old Tozy. He's an old guy. He's about 16 now. Good old Tozy. But anyway, he came up here and sat and liked it. So that's what I think. It's nice. It's very supportive, and my cats are going to love it. All 4 of them usually, at one point or another, one of my cats is up here on this desk working with me. So anyway, neat product, guys. You know, and again, watch this. It folds down out of the way. Boom. You can fold it down out of the way when the cat comes up here. I can fold it up out of the way when they're not here, and then I can set it up whenever they do get here. Very cool. There it is, and it's stabbed right there. Boom. Nice product. All right, y'all take care.